Someone told you that you can get paid to walk dogs, test snacks, talk into a microphone, or literally get hugged for money. You'd think I was joking, but I'm not. These are the 8 real jobs that are hiring right now. Most of them need 0 experience and 0 degree, and a few of them you can sign up by the end of this video. Let's get into it. Quick heads up before we start. Pay rates and hiring details change by location and platform. So treat every number or every job I give you as a ballpark, and always double check on the company's site before you sign up. Also, a golden rule for literally every job on this list: never pay an upfront fee to see a job listing. Legit companies don't charge to apply. Let's get through this. Job number 1, a mystery shopper. You get paid to shop or eat somewhere and then report back the experience. The payment. It roughly pays $5 to $15 for a digital shop and $10 to $50 for in-person shop, plus your purchase often gets reimbursed. Where? This is nationwide, and also it has to match with your zip code. Where do you sign up? IntelliShop, number 1, Market Force, number 2, Sinclair Customer Metrics, number 3, and number 4 is Best Mark. Start with this easy, fast or retail shop to build up your rating. Submit your report fast with photos and receipts, and the higher payment assignment starts unlocking themselves. Job number 2 is product or sensory panelist. Basically, you get paid or at least get free stuff to try products before they hit the shelves. How much do they pay? Sometimes the payment comes as free samples, but sometimes they pay $20 to $100 per paid session. Where? Most of these are in person or near lab hubs like the New Jersey one or Livermore, though some survey are remote. Where do you sign up? JJ, Friends and Neighbors, SenseNet, Testocracy, and Pinch Me, and the last one is Click Research. Register with these few panels at once so you get matched more often and answer the demographic question honestly. Sorry about that. That's literally how they decide who they can invite. So just be honest while you're answering the questions. The job number 3 is literally fully remote. This is voiceover gigs. And all you really need is a decent microphone and your voice. How much does it pay? The payment comes from between $20 to $200 plus per project, depending on the length and the usage of how they're going to use it. Where do you sign up? Anywhere. It's from anywhere. You don't have to be in a specific location. It's 100% remote. How do you sign up? Well, where do you sign up? You sign up or in a website called thevoices.com or Fiverr. Fiverr is very well known for this, or Bunny Studios. A basic USB and XL music mic they cost about $50 to $100. Record 2 to 3 demo clips. Start on the lower cost gigs to build up reviews and raise up your rates as your portfolio grows. Job number 4 is a plant or nursery care technician. If you've ever kept a house plant alive for more than 1 month, this one is for you. It pays $15 to $22 per hour. This is very good. And where do you can you get these deals? Well, locals, the in-person offices or at home, people's homes, people will pay money to keep their plants alive. So this one is really good. And where do you sign up? You can sign up on the Indeed, ZipRecruiter, local garden centers, plantscaping companies like Plantscape Inc. or I think basically those. Search plantscaping or nursery technician in your city, mention any person or plant experience, and expect a short trial shift instead of a formal interview. So this one is more of practical than theory. Job number 5 is pet sitting and pet walking. If you like to walk dogs, you like sitting, pet sitting, such as dogs, cats, you name it. If you love those things, if you love animals, this is for you. This one is probably one of the most familiar on the list, but most people underestimate how much they can actually get paid. This one, the payment is between 15 to 30 per walk or 25 to 75 for an overnight stay. People really pay for their animals because they love them. And where do you get this kind of gigs? Well, the locals, and also match up through the app. Where do you sign up? You sign up on Rover, WAG, or care.com. Download Rover or WAG, complete the sign up quiz, pass the background check. Usually it takes about 1 to 3 days, and it also takes a few low prices job fast to rank up to that 5-star review. And when you are in the 5th star, I think you can charge whatever you want. Job number 6 sounds like a made-up job, but it's actually a professional line waiter. Did you hear that? A professional line waiter. It's not made up, it's a real service. People literally pay someone to stand in line for them. How much does it pay, you ask? $15 to $25 per hour for more or high demand events. Where concentrate in the big cities, New York, LA, DC. You trust me, there's a market for this. And where do you sign up? You sign at TaskRabbit or Same or Line Dudes. This is DC based or Line Agent, as you can see on the screen. Sign up as a tasker and list line waiting as a service, or search local agency directly. Bring a charger, snacks, and folding chair. Comfort is what gets you repeat booking. You don't want to be frustrated while you're doing this. Okay. Number 7 is the one that gets most people attention. A professional cuddling. Yes, it's real, and yes, it pays well. How much does it pay? It pays $40 to $160 per hour. That, well, most average is actually $80 per hour. Well, where you certify remote first, then do it in person in your city. So you sign up at cuddlelist.com or Cuddle Comfort, and then when you get the Cuddle List certification, it takes about 2 weeks, and well, it covers the consent, the boundaries, and how to structure a session. Build a public profile with clear rates and policies before you start taking clients. So this one needs its own video. I think I'm going to do this video for a professional cuddler, because $80 is not for an hour for hugging someone per an hour. It's an easy job. Well, that's what I would think it is. It's an easy job. The last one, it might be the most unexpected, but you're getting paid to dive into a golf course lake and pull out lost balls. So this one pays between 50 cents to 50 cents per ball. Often it's usually 200 to 500 plus in a single outing, where local golf course, lakes, especially in Sun's Belt State. And the sign up, you can look up at Indeed, ZipRecruiter, local retrieval or recycling companies. You'll want a basic opener water and a certification first. That's just a few days through PADI, so just to make sure that you're comfortable with water and you don't drown. Then reach out directly to the local retrievers crew, since a lot of them are small team that don't post jobs widely. Ask upfront if it's a pay per round or pay per ball, so that you are clear of what you're getting yourself into. How to stack these jobs. Now, here's a part most people skip. How to actually stack a few of these into a real second income without burning yourself. Think of it as in 3 tiers. Tier number 1, set and forget. Sign up for 3 or 4 mystery shopping companies, 2 or 3 products panel. It mostly a one-time sign up, and it can bring a $50 to $100 or $150 a month passively. Tier number 2, pick one recruiting gig. Pet sitting or plant care work well because they build repeat clients. That's your predictable income, roughly $300 to $800 a month to 5 to 10 hours weekly. Tier number 3, this one, or the voiceover or line waiting for events. These two pay well, and adding up to $100 or $400 a month. Stack these 3 or 4 of this, not all 8, so you're not overwhelmed. You have to be realistic. So stack up the 3 or 4 of the jobs that I've listed above, and track your payment per hour after the first month, and just drop whatever is not doing well, or whatever is performing worse, or whatever is stressing you. Drop it and find something that you can work with and you're comfortable working and you're happy working. So those are 8 unusual jobs that you can actually start signing up today. No degree, no experience required. If you want me to drop a deeper dive on this or any of this, let me know in the comment below, especially the one for hugging. I think people are going to be really interested in the how to get the hugging certification, on how it works and how you get into panel, or maybe we can dive into how to get into sensory panel, how you can actually smell or taste products before they hit on the shelf. I can do that video for you. Meanwhile, I want you to remember that you should never pay an upfront fee to apply. Legit gigs are always free to join. Now, if this video helped you, please subscribe. We are still young. We are a young channel, and we are here to elevate women. So if you're a woman or a man, just hit the subscription button and also like the video, share it with your friend. I'm covering more offbeat ways to make money every week. So even we are also going to be talking about business and of course fashion, because we love fashion. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.